Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to make gradient. So for example, I will create box, and if you want to make gradients, you can create for the layer. Like here I will set for the height into 3. Or you can duplicate, and I will use rule tools and move to the top. I will click it into 3, click duplicate again, duplicate, and duplicate. After it, you can change the color, like I will set in the bottom here. You can select the color here, choose custom, and for example, I will set into blue color. You can change all into blue color, into blue. Then I will select in the bottom here, can make it more bright, using at this point. This second, change again, third, change this, and then the fourth, and set like in the. So after it, you can select all, and then you can make group. The next, you can click again the color, and then you can set multicolor. So it will be create the gradient color. To make it more smooth, you can change again the color. You can ungroup, and then change the color in this layer. Okay, that's it for a basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to make a gradient. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.